Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Malayalam. Wait, I'm hearing someone is crying.
Charananna.
Hey Cherry, what's up man? Why you are here again? By the way, why are you crying man?
Charananna, hi Anna.
Hi. So tell me what happened.
Anna, I wanted to apply for SRM Anna,
Okay.
but SRM is not conducting phase 3 Anna. I wanted to get seat there Anna. Please help me Anna. How? What should I do now Anna? Is there any chance for me to get into SRM Anna? Please help me.
Arre, cheer up man. So first of all, really thank you Cherry for me giving this particular topic for which I can make a video and really help many of the students out there. So yeah, you are right. Don't worry. Don't need not to cry at all. So SRM is going to conduct their phase 3 examination for all those students who missed, and those who wanted to write again also, they can also write. So Unacademy is going to conduct the Unacademy Prodigy Scholarship Test, and you can win prizes worth 11 crore. The exam is on 14th and 15th August based on your year of study. So daily one lucky winner will be winning an iPad. So every day from 12th July onwards, so you also stand a chance of winning iPad in this particular Unacademy Prodigy test. So if you want to write this particular test, the link for this particular test is in the description, and you can also use my code CharanYT. It's totally a free test. So Unacademy is coming up with this particular Shine batch, which is English batch by top Telugu educators. So this Samineni Navin Raja sir, he is really very close to me. So he teaches physics really well, and EV Kiran Kumar sir and KK Giri sir. So all of them is going to teach you in English, and if you ask your doubts in Telugu also, they are going to reply you back in Telugu. So this is one of the greatest initiative from Unacademy to bring up Telugites. And if you are really interested, you or your family members or any other who is joining who is going to prepare for JEE, so do suggest them this particular batch from Unacademy, which is Shine batch, totally Telugu educators. So this particular batch is for 12th JEE Mains and Advanced 2022. This is starting from 11th August. You can enroll now using the links in the description. So if you see, I am here in the SRM main website here. If you see here SRM JEE 2021 phase 3 BTech, last date to apply is 18th August. Today is 12th August. So you still have 6 days left for applying the SRM JEE phase 3. And one more important thing, and this is you can see here, right? So about SRM admission, it is here, right? And you can see date of examination is 23rd August. So still 11 days left for the exam and 6 days left for the application. So do fill the application as soon as possible. Now you will surely ask me, where should we fill the application form? So here I will leave this particular link also in the description. You can click that link and open this particular thing, and enter your, if you see on the right, enter your name, email address, mobile number, OTP. And once you enter the mobile number and click on get OTP, you will get an OTP, and then select state, country, city and everything, course, then click on register. So if you didn't register yet till now, if you already registered, you can click on existing user and login. You can log in with your details. So if you didn't register yet, use this particular thing and enter all your details and click on register. You will get a verification mail to your mail ID. So just log into your mail and check your inbox and click on that verification mail and verify that. Once you verify, your registration is done. Then you need to open that and you need to pay the fees. Just see here. Register yourself, verify mail, fill online application form, academic details, pay acceptance fee, upload documents. That's it. Documents in the sense, these are the things: photograph, signature, and those are the two required, and you can pay through net banking, credit card, debit card. So this is about registration process, and you can see again they have mentioned here also phase 3 last date is 18th August and date of examination is 23rd August, and this is about the phase 3 exam. I think Cherry, now you are happy, is it?
Hey, the phase 3 is there Anna. Really thank you Anna. You really helped me a lot. So you are the savior Anna. You gave me the information. Thank you very much Anna. Today I will apply Anna. Anna, what about the seats Anna? If I write this exam, can I get the seat? Means phase 1, phase 2 completed, right? Are the seats left?
Okay, so that's really a nice question you asked. So one thing guys, so those who have written in phase 1, many of the students got allotment. When it comes to phase 2, only few got allotment. So now what I am expecting, just listen this word, please don't make any again discussion out of this in the comment section again. I am saying I am expecting only few students will only get the admission now. That too few students in the sense, so you should score very good marks and very good rank. You should score, then only you will have a better chance of getting into SRM. So because very few seats left in the main campus and very few seats left in Ramapuram, Majority of the seats may left in the other campuses like AP and all. So I don't know how many number of seats. They also didn't reveal how many number of seats left, everything. But I am sure phase 1 majority of the students got the seat allotment. In phase 2 only few got the seat allotment, and in phase 3 also I am expecting only few students will get the seat allotment. That too I am saying those who get good marks and those who get good rank. So try to focus on the exam and give yourself the best and try to score more marks, and ultimately you will be getting a good rank. So that is where your key to getting admission into SRM lies.
And wish me best of luck, Anna. I will really write the exam well and get good marks in that SRM.
Okay, Cherry, all the best. Not only for Cherry, I am saying all the best for all of you who are watching this video and wanted to apply for third phase. Give your best, try to score more marks, and ultimately you will get a good rank, and ultimately you will get into your desired branch. So that's it, guys. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.